Hello students, after completion of omission of consonants and its exercise number 114 from the chapter number 14, आज हम करेंगे exercise number 115 and 116. Let's start with exercise number 115 on the speed of 80 words per minute. Be ready. Start. Dear sir, when you hang up your hat and begin to answer the pile of correspondence awaiting you on your desk, have you ever thought of what happens when your mail is received by the person to whom it is addressed? Remember that the first impression your correspondent receives is from the notepaper he holds in his fingers. Most businessmen believe in the value of appearances and pay great attention to most things which place their firm high in the estimation of their correspondents. But it is surprising how many quite overlook the opportunity paper offers of expressing the standing of their firm. We hope you will exercise care with this particular detail. Perhaps you will permit us to quote for quantity lots on our distinctive bond according to your requirements. Very truly yours. Next is exercise number 116 on the speed of 80 words per minute. Be ready. Start. Gentlemen, we are anxious to receive the pens which, according to your invoice of 14th November, were sent by post 5 days ago. We presume that the parcel was sent by registered post. In answer to our inquiry, the post office here says that the package has not yet been received. Do you think that there has been a mistake in addressing it? Yours very truly. Gentlemen, we are sorry to learn that the package we sent to you by registered post on 14th November has not yet been received. Promptly upon receipt of your note, we sent a duplicate. It is possible, of course, that the label was incorrectly addressed, but we do not think that there is any likelihood that this is the case. We are asking the postal authorities to institute a search for the lost parcel, and no doubt they will be able to find it. Meanwhile, if the original package is delivered to you, will you kindly return it to us? The cost of postage will be sent to you, or you can make an adjustment in your account when you post your check. Very truly yours. So these are the next two exercises from the chapter number 14. आप लोगों को कोई भी परेशानी हो, कुछ भी पूछना हो तो आप कमेंट सेक्शन में कमेंट करके पूछ सकते हैं. Okay students, thanks for watching this video. Share, drop a like, subscribe the channel.